Blessings, my people. One love, one heart. True Jamaican vibes. Fair read. Right now I'm in Leeds, St. Elizabeth, very close to Santa Cruz. About 10 minutes drive to Santa Cruz. So enjoy the ride. So I am in Leeds, St. Elizabeth. Thanks for watching my channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fair Read. So I'm coming from Malvern direction. In Malvern. So in Malvern you have Hampton, Bethlehem Teachers College, Monroe. So I'm coming from that side. So we're going to Santa Cruz town. So I'm in Leeds, St. Elizabeth. So it's about 8:30 a.m. in the morning, and we all know in the Santa Cruz area is very hot, very warm climate. Thanks for watching my channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fair Read. So when you come to St. Elizabeth, you all need to visit La Cove Zoo. On your left coming up, you will find Leeds Primary School. So we're having some bumpy ride right now. So in Leeds, a lot of farming, a lot of peanuts grow in Leeds. So if you're coming from Santa Cruz side and you want to go to Malvern, you all have to travel. So on your right coming up, you'll make a right turn if you want to go to Northampton, Myersville, and it's also can take you back to Nain, Gutters, and Speed Bump. And also to Junction. Thank you all for taking the early morning ride with True Jamaican Vibes via Reed. So our destination will be in Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth. So if you want a ride from Santa Cruz to Leeds, big up yourself, Chai. Good taxi man, you know. Drive very careful on the road. So they can check for Chai. Next left turn will take you all to Jerusalem Housing Scheme. On your right, you have Beagles Boulevard. On your left, you have Icona, a very nice place to hang out, Icona. You can have your nice lunch, breakfast and dinner. Very nice place. On your left, we carry you all to Waterloo. So if you want your car to get a proper wash, you can come to Ultimate Car Wash. Very nice car wash. Get your interior clean. Also an engine wash. So welcome to Santa Cruz, my people. One love, one heart. This is true Jamaican vibes. On the right, we have the Santa Cruz All Age. So on our next left, we have the Santa Cruz Police Station. And also you have a Dr. Liquor office on the right side. So if you need your medical attention, you all can come to Dr. Liquor office for some medical attention. So it's about 8:42 a.m. in Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth. So Santa Cruz town is the main town for Leeds, and as you can see, the NCB line and stuff is very long, and I don't see where they practice any social distancing. So that's not safe for our Jamaican people. So if you make the left turn, it will take you back to Lachovia, and if you make the right turn, it will take you to Gutters, Pepper, Grays River. True Jamaican vibes, fair read. So anyone watching now, I'm gonna give you a quick look at St. Elizabeth Technical High School. Big up on yourself, all who attend St. Elizabeth Technical High School. So on our right coming up, we will go to St. Elizabeth Technical High School. So you all take a nice view. So welcome to St. Elizabeth Technical High School. So thanks for watching my channel, True Jamaican Vibes, fair read. Like, share and subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you.